Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Wave by Raghava Constructions, which is located in Usman Nagar, Telapur, Hyderabad. And today we'll be doing the project overview. In this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. And as you can check out, we are here on the actual site of the project, and this is the marketing office. We'll be getting all the information and detail of the project. And now about the construction and the land parcel. So it's just behind the marketing office where the construction work is in progress. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So the project is spread across 8.27 acres of land parcel consisting of 4 towers in all. So basically, 2 towers are connected via connecting bridge. The towers are of 2 basements still plus 36 floors, having exclusive 3 BHK residencies. Now about the location part, and this project is located beside Birla Open Mind School in Usman Nagar in Telapur, Hyderabad. Now let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road will connect you towards ORR. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to ORR exit number 2 in just 7 minutes from the project. Aksa Hospital is just 12 minutes away from the project. High-tech city and financial district 20 minutes from the location. Now about the amenities part, and the project provides you world-class amenities like let me show you through this miniature. Here's your grand clubhouse, infinity pool with deck, indoor amenities like gymnasium, and indoor games, outdoor amenities like of kids play area, half basketball court, garden area, and here's the temple. Plus many more amenities in this project. Now about the super built up area, and as mentioned, this project provides you purely exclusive 3 BHK premium residencies, where 3 BHK starts from 1660 to 1930 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process, and the project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll even show you the model flat. And then if clients like the project, they can directly proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Wave by Raghava Constructions, which is located in Telapur, Hyderabad.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK, and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.